Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to crop an image in a PDF file using PDF element. This is my image. Now I'll crop this image. Select edit option. Now select this edit all option, edit image, and click on this image and click right button and select that image properties. This is properties dialog box. If you did not find this, click here and this is crop option and this crop box now showing here. And I'll crop this image, move this crop icon manually, yeah, and double click outside of this image and say this image now crop. Yeah, in this way you can crop all of this image from a PDF file. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.